Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking this lovely blackened chicken on a cast iron skillet. So the first step is just to butterfly them out so they'll cook a bit quicker. We're now going to sprinkle them with all the herbs and spices. The recipe will be in the link below. The chicken is going to be completely covered. Every nook and cranny, sides, front and back. I think that'll just about do it. Let's get the pan on. Just a drop of oil in the pan so we can gauge the temperature. We can see the shimmer is starting. We're about ready to cook. So in goes the first and the second. Now the oil's not there for the flavour, but the butter is. So let's add some butter. Just going to swirl that around. Then we're going to let that melt down a bit. It's going to start to get a little bit browner, more nutty. We're going to start basting those beautiful pieces of chicken. You can see here all the coating on that chicken, every single bit is covered in that lovely colourful dust. That's all flavour and crusty. It's time to flip them over now. And now let's do a bit of basting. All those lovely buttery flavours coating both sides. For one last basting, I think they're ready to come out. We'll just let them rest for a little bit and then we're going to serve up. There's no point wasting that lovely butter. Over the chicken it goes. Now for the taste test. Just squeeze a bit of lemon over there. Let's cut in and have a look. I can tell it was so very tender. Really juicy, it hasn't dried out at all. The searing heat and that crust on the outside has kept all those lovely juices in. It just tastes incredible. It's so super fast as well. Just look at the colours. Stunning. See you in the next one.